I've also forgotten that there's 50-50 tickets today. We have a truck that hasn't been through the pit yet, and we have a seasoned veteran. Timekeepers, are you ready? And they're off. Wow, that thing sounds good. Really flying down. Everybody, here he comes! What a show. I really like that truck. It looks nice. ATV drivers, please stay on your toes with this guy. Okay, we're getting these two vehicles lined up. That Liberty has been making passes like crazy all day. This truck here is a powerful truck, a big mega truck coming to make a nice pass down this track. Flag ladies, getting them in position. Timekeepers are getting ready to do the timing. Here we go. And they're off. That truck sounds amazing. Sideways down the track.